What's up, you guys? Glenn with Old School Millennial. Today I'm going to be sharpening up some chains on the Oregon 620 chainsaw sharpener. But first, I need to gather up some firewood with my son so we can stock up our stock for our wood stove at our house. I definitely like to get him included in anything firewood related that I can because he is all about firewood. So let's get started. Are you going to help me?
Yeah, I'm gonna help you.
What are you going to help me with?
I'm gonna help you with putting firewood in the bucket of your tractor.
Awesome. Grab it like this, and then you grab it with the other hand right there. Here, and put your hand right there, and then that's how you cut it.
Oh.
There you go.
Dad, I can't cut big pieces very well.
Yeah, I'll go grab the tractor real quick.
I better get working.
So if this is one of your first time sharpening, this part right here is your top plate. This part down here is your gullet. You're wanting to make a C out of this. This is the size of sharpener that you need to use, but it can also tell you, like this kind of sharpener, but it can also tell you what size sharpening wheel you need to use. Which, as a side note, I use this X-Cut on my 550 and have had good luck with it. Works pretty good. When you're setting up the bench grinder, these are for the gauge of chainsaw chain that you're using. And then you just dial these to the right gauge. Also, when you're setting up, this is the degree of angle that the chain is going to be sharpened at. That will determine this angle that it's sharpening. Right here on the box is where you need to find your degree of angle. This is another angle that's important. This will determine how far the bench grinder is going to be moved up or down. And basically that's where it's going into the gullet of your chainsaw chain. Thanks for joining me today, you guys. If you have any questions about this chainsaw sharpener, be sure to put those down in the comments and I'll try to answer you best I can. And if you have any tips and tricks about this chainsaw sharpener, just the same, put those down in the comments to see if we can help some other people. And until next time, you guys, get outside and do something you love.